Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe it. So we have already saw how to purchase the particular domain as well as a server inside the DigitalOcean as well as a Godaddy. So now in this video, let's see how we can push the particular project. So you need to have one thing to send it. You need to have a FTP client. So you need to download the FTP client for the window. Okay, so let's tell FTP client over here. So FTP is Filezilla. So just download the Filezilla client and install in your laptop. Okay, it is very simple. So it looks something like this. So I'll just show you. So you can see it looks something like this, Filezilla client. So I'll just open this to transfer the particular files over here. So now in my last video, what we have done here is we have created the particular, we have purchased this thing, right? So now I need to activate this thing inside my command prompt. So I'll just copy this IP address. So I'll just click on to the CMD over here, CMD command shell. Okay, I'll just use the command prompt. So in my command prompt, it is going to ask me the what is the thing, how we need to activate, right? So some way we need to activate. I'll need to just tell SSH root @ I need to provide the particular IP address which we have got. Okay, so I'll just click on to the enter. So it is asking me, yes, I'll just give it. So it is asking me the password which we have used for at the time of creating a droplet. Same password you need to provide it over here. So I'll just provide the password. Shit. Okay, so let's see, the password has been perfect. Okay, so once you click onto once you are providing the right password, so it is going to give you the root ubuntu @ this one like this. So once we have done, we need to I'll just show you the few of the commands how we need to do it. Already I have the DigitalOcean people, they have provided a beautiful guides. So it is that, so what basically we are going to do, the particular website which we have, this is gonna be added inside the Apache servers. Okay, so the same, this particular website we are going to add inside the Apache server. So what I need to do here is, so first I need to come back to my command terminal here. So here I have opened the particular site over here. This link I will be giving you in the description below. You can just open this particular link inside your window. So it is asking me how to serve a Django application with the Apache mod service, okay, with the Ubuntu 16.4. So there are some of the prerequisites over here. So you can just follow, like if you want to change the normal from the root user to, you need to give the privileges to the other users, you can give that one. But everything I'll be doing with the form of this one itself. So from the direct command shells over here, I need to just tell update the particular websites, update the particular Apache. So I'll just tell, sorry, not Apache, the particular app. So yeah, I'm saying sudo apt get update. Okay, so once it has been done, so the updation will get over. Okay, it is done. Now I need to install the Apache server over here, Apache server as well as a Python. So I'll just copy this command, Ctrl+C, open the command, right click, enter. So you can see the Apache is going to be downloaded. Okay, so I'll just tell Y and enter it. So the Apache server is going to install inside your particular droplet. Okay, so the thing is been going like this. So you can see after it will be done, so we can able to see the particular welcome page of the Apache. So let's see we can able to see or not. So this is just giving like this, enabling, it is enabling all the things. You can see it is enabling the services for the Apache, and it is been enabling the module of the W web server, a graphical interface, and everything it has been happening over here. Okay, so let's see how it looks. So let's wait for these commands to get completed. So by that time you download the Filezilla, and Filezilla looks something like this. You can see it looks something like this, where we can provide a host name, username, password as well as a port number. Okay, so let's see how we can done. So we'll just tell enter. So it is just going like that. So by that time I'll come back to my website over here. So sorry, my particular project where my particular website is being hosted. So this is a website which I'm going to host right now, right? So here statically we need to host the particular React.js part over here. So what we need to do, I'll just open the command prompt over here. So I'll just put the Ctrl+C, I'll just stop the servers. So I'll just stop the servers over here, and I'll just stop the React.js server also. So I'll just tell yes, I'll just tell terminate it. So once it has been terminated, I'll just cancel it. So I'm inside the front end, right? So what I need to do here, I'll just tell cd ... So here whatever the project is there, I need to pack up everything inside inside this particular build folder. So actually it is built already, it has been built. So I need to build once again, so that everything it should just packed as a statically inside a folder that is build. So I'll say npm run build build. So I'll just tell npm run build build. So I need to run this particular command npm run build. So everything will get packed inside a folder that is build folder. So you can see some of the few of the things is going. Okay, it is just going me no files. Okay, package.json. So I need to just tell cd front end. So then I need to just tell npm run build. Okay, so once I run this particular command, so you can see the things is getting builded over here. So whatever the things is been newly updated, everything will get stored inside a folder that is build folder. Okay, so all the things is going to build it over here. So let's wait for it. So by that time, come back to the code. So sorry, the command prompt. So you can see all the things has been done. Now if I just show you whether it works or not here, coming back to the IP address. So this was the IP address, right? So we have purchased the IP address over here. So the first IP address, the 26.10. I'll just open inside the new terminal. So once I open, so you can see the default Apache Ubuntu page has been able to access. So this is how you can access the particular now you know our IP is working perfectly. So now we will connect this IP with the particular purchase domain, that is aminmotors.com. So this is how the things works. So for the name for this IP, we are going to give the particular name as this one which we have purchased. So first we will host the website, later on we can do it. So now coming back to the code, so it is just still it has been working on over here. Okay, so it is just creating the optimization for the productions to the build. So I need to do it like this. So now coming back to here, now coming back to the command prompt. So we have downloaded the Apache, all those things now. So let's see what is the guide is saying next what I need to do. So it is me saying you need to install the Python 3 virtual environment. So I'll just copy. Okay bro, I'll just install the virtual environment. I'll right click and enter. So the thing is being going to install sudo pip3 installed virtual environment. So then coming back to here, it is asking me you need to make a project directory, then you need to activate as a, you need to create it as in a virtual environment, then you need to activate the particular project directory. So I'll do that one, but I am not going to do that one because already my project is been built over here. So already my project is been built. So you can see it is been built, all the project code is been there, but I don't want to build it. So I don't want to create a new project. I want to put everything, this particular project, inside a server. The second, the most important things comes into the picture. For that, what we need to do, we will be using a Filezilla client so that we can just transfer all the things to over here. So what I'll do here is, it is asking me the host. So I'll say what is the host. So I'll just cancel this thing. So now let's come back here. So it is asking me the host. For the host, you need to provide your IP address. Filezilla client. So sorry, where is it? Yeah. So host itself, you need to provide the IP address. So root, you need to give it as a root for the usernames, as a root user you are targeting. And what is the password when you have created a droplet, right? So for the login also we need to provide a password. Same password you need to provide it over here. So I'll just provide the password. Okay. And port number default you need to give it as 22, and I'll just click onto the quick connect. So once I click onto the quick connect, it is asking me, I'll just give it the access over here. So you can see the root has been accessed. So all the things has been coming over here. All the root I can able to access it over here. So now what I'll do here is I'll just click here. I'll just tell slash where slash where slash www slash. I'll just enter it. So this is there where I'll be creating my project now. So I'll create one folder and I'll dump all this code inside this particular folder. Okay, so that is what the thing I'll do. I'll right click. I'll just click create directory and enter. I'll just tell the directory name as ARK and enter it. Done. So this is how we need to create it. Now I'll just push all the folder files over here now. So let me see, all the thing has been done. Yeah, perfect, everything has been done. So what I need to do here is I'll just open this particular folder directory here. So I'll just open the particular folder directory. I think this is the, okay, not this one. I'll just come back to the F drive. So here something was there, Django Reactjs 2021, not this one. So this is how the things was. Okay, so this was the folder. This is the folder which I need to, so this is the particular folder is nothing but this is the folder. Okay, so this particular all the files I need to dump inside my Filezilla. So let me see in the front end, the build folder is there, build is there, but I want to delete this node modules. You need to delete the node modules. You should not push the node modules over it. It will take lengthy time. Okay, so I'll just click here and I'll just click onto the delete over here. So once I click onto the delete, all the node modules is going to delete from my folder. So let's wait until it gets deleted. So then I will push, I'll just select all the entire folders and I'll just push it over here. Okay, so it is what the thing I'll be doing it. So let me see. So it takes little bit time. So if you want to have a tea, you can have and come for the 2 minutes, but I'll be forwarding the video in my at the time of recording. Okay, so I can see the particular node modules folder is been collapsed. Okay, so now we can say push the particular folder. So what I'll do here is I'll just select all the folder from here. I'll just select everything. I'll just select it. I'll just drag it to the Filezilla client and I'll just push it over here. Okay, so once I push it like this, so you can see pataphat everything it is going to transfer inside my server. Okay, so I'll show you where it will be there. So it is a folder where www/erk, right? So I'll just go back to my particular terminal. So I'll just tell I want to go to cd/www/erk. I'm inside the erk folder. If I just tell ls, you can see all the files I am able to get it dragged over here. So everything front end, back end, everything is been provided over here. Even my Filezilla sent me the message successful. Everything is successful over here. Everything you can see, all the thing has been gone over here. So this is the use of using the Filezilla client. We can easily transfer the particular folders. So now let's come back to my particular guide. So this is provided by DigitalOcean. So they are saying me you need to activate in a virtual environment by saying my project env. So I'll just copy this command, coming back to that folder. So see, you need to be inside the particular project directory. You need to be inside the particular project directory. So it's where all your folders is there. Okay, so now I am right clicking this command, virtual environment. Now everything has been added. Now if I just show you here, so see, if I just show you with the ARK folder, so you can see dot folder is also been came where my virtual environment is been activated inside this ARK folder. So once it has been done, so we need to activate it right now. So for this command, we have this particular command. I'll just copy the command. I'll right click over here. You can see it has been saying my project env. It has been activated. You can see the project has been activated. So after it has been activated, now I need to install Django, all those things. But I am very smart. Everything I have covered inside the particular this particular file. Okay, so where all the things has been there. So here I have commented for some reason. Let me see from the Filezilla client. I'll just say whatever my requirement.txt file is there, I want to edit it. So I'll just edit it. So here I'll just say I need to remove all the comments from here. So I'll just remove all the comments from here. So I'll just do it fast. So for some reason I have done the comment. So that means all the modules so you know, if you have done the project by yourself, you would have known what is this particular modules and what is the use of it. Okay, so it is a capital G. So last 4 is there. So I need to just Django REST framework, all these things. I'll just uncomment it. Okay, so I'll just do like this. Okay, so I'll just everything I'll just do. So but one place I'll be getting one error. So at the place of Django, so here I'll be getting the error. So what does this mean? Django, so I'll just comment out this one. So I'll just save it. Okay, so this is my personal website. So I'm not going to care. You should not going to care about this, because I'll just, you can see we can edit also inside over here. Okay, so now you know, so see, whichever the project you are hosting it, you need to everything, what are the modules you are using, what are the modules you have been used, everything you need to pack inside one requirement.txt. The command is python manage.py freeze space requirement.txt file, I think. So once you do this particular command, all the modules is going to freeze inside, a folder file requirement.txt, so that I can install all the modules inside my server easily. So I can see, I'll just tell pip install -r requirement.txt requirements.txt file. I'll just enter it. So once I enter this one, see, you can see all the modules, whatever the present inside my folder, everything it is going to install. So with this module only my Python folder works, right? So that thing you need to understand. Now coming back to here, one module I am not able to install was this was okay. So because I know it is giving me the error, so I'll install which is the latest release is been there. I'll just install that one. So here I'll just tell I want to install this particular command. So let me see, I'll install it. So So I'll just open this server. So it will be giving the command. I can directly install the particular stuffs. Okay, so it is asking me the installation. So 2.7 Python 3 very high it is asking. So it is just asking me. You can just use this command pip install pip sock. I'll just copy this command. So I'll run this command else. I want to install everything. So it has been giving me the error. You can see it has been giving the error, right? So this is what I was just saying for you. So it gives the error. So sometimes this particular thing's error, this gives you the stuffs. Okay, so it has been there. So I'll just tell clear. So once I clear, everything will get clear. Okay, so now same thing is been there. So I'll just zoom out like this itself. Okay, so I'll be using like this. So here it has been giving me the error. So I want to so this just gives me the error. So I'll just install pip install this particular binary stuffs. Let me see whichever the thing is there. I'll just say okay, it has been installed successfully now. Done. So all the modules I have installed. Now I will run the server. I'll just tell python manage.py run server. I'm just checking whether my project is running or not. Yes, exactly, it is running perfectly. So I'll just control C it over here. So once it has been done, coming back to the server, so it is they are saying me I need to do settings. I need to go to the settings. I need to put the particular allowed host over here. It is asking me server domain or IP address. I need to put the server domain or an IP address. So what I'll say here is, so what is my IP address of the project? So the IP address of the project is this one. So I need to put that one. So where I need to put inside my settings.py file. So I'll just go inside my backend. Where is the settings.py file? I'll just edit it. So I'll edit this settings.py file. So once I edit, so I want to just edit the same file. So here you see they are saying me the allowed host over here. So I'll just tell wherever allowed host, I'll just tell allowed host. So I want to allow the particular host at this particular site. Okay, so at the 206.189.143 and this one I need to just do it. So I'm just allowing the particular site to host it over here. So I think this is only the thing we need to do. So I'll just save everything. So I'll just cancel it over here. I'll just click onto the yes. It has been saved. So it is just done. So now coming back to the file. So let me see whether it works or not. So they are saying you need to add a static root. Already the static root been added by me. Okay, if you have not added, you need to add the particular static root. That is very much important. So it is the static root I have been provided here. So you can see static root I have given as a static files. All the static files it will be using it. You can use it as a static also in your static root, the os.pod.join. So I think you people know that one. Okay, or else you can just follow the same file over here. So how they are saying you need to just add, if you are having a static folder, ditto as it is, copy this line and paste it over here. Okay, so it will, then after you do that one, you need to run the migrations or a migrate. So migrate is not necessary, as well as migrations, but if it's necessary, you can just run this command python manage.py collect status. Suppose I'm not going to yeah, you can just run this one, because already I have done the static. I have run that particular command inside my project. You can just run it over here, python manage.py collect status. So python manage.py collect static, you need to run it. Okay, so after you allow, we need to allow this particular port number. So I'll just copy this port number, I'll right click and allow it. You can see rules has been updated. So then I need to run this command. So I'll just tell python manage.py run at this particular port number. So I'll just tell here python manage.py run server at the port number 8800. So sorry, the port number, you can see port number 8000. Python manage.py run server 0.0.0.:8000. Let me see whether it works or not. Where is it? Here. If I just give the port number and I just give 8000 over here, I hope it runs. If I run the program, okay, you can see we have hosted the particular website at this IP address at the port number 8000. But I don't want to display it as an 8000, but I want to display it somewhere. I don't want to have an 8000 over here. I need to have a just if I just run this command, if I just run this command with this IP, I need to host the particular site. For this we need to do few of the things. That is nothing but, so let me open here. So where is it? Here is the Filezilla Client, right? So here is it. So where is it? Here, yeah. So we need to follow the, you can see it has been work. Okay, we can just deactivate after this one. If I just tell deactivate, it will just stop. Only for the few time it will just work. If I just tell deactivate, it will just stop it. Okay, so now basically what I need to do here is I need to activate the particular, I need to provide the particular configuration. So where is the configuration I need to provide? Here. So I need to say just serve all the static files in this particular configuration. So it is not going to I don't go on to explain everything, just I will see how it works. Okay, so now simply I'll just copy this one, I'll just copy this command, I'll just come here and I'll just right click. So you can see once I right click it, it is just giving me this page over here. So here I need to enter few of the things. Now I'll just press as a insert. I want to insert the operation, so it has been inserting over here. So you can see I can insert everything over here. So here I want to insert few of the stuffs over here. So now in the documentation they have said here, so they have said you need to use this alias and you need to use all these alias directory, all those things. But say you need to in the sense you need to provide where is your static data, that is the static files. So home you need to go to the project, in this way you need to go, and directory files you need to provide where is your WSGI, you need to give the access. Then we need to run the WSGI daemons process inside your available sites in the default configuration. That is what they have been said. So now I have been I'll just close this one. So now I have somewhere I have just kept one thing. I'll provide this particular so I'll just provide you this particular notepad file also, where it will be easy to you guys to activate it. Okay, so here it has been there. So what I'll do here is I'll just at the bottom, so where is it, I'll just show you here. Okay, so here, so I want to just copy from here to here. I'll just provide you for this. I'll just copy this much. So once I copy this much, I'll just go back to my client in the command prompt. I'll just right click over here. So that basically I'm just pasting it over here. So I'll just remove unwanted space from the top. Okay, so I'll just remove unwanted space from the top. I'll explain you what it is been there. Now see, I want to say wherever the static, whenever it is looking for the /static, I want to provide him the URL, that is nothing but I want to just say him go to this static files. I want to just say him to go to the particular static files. So here I'll just say so wherever the static is there, whenever there is been asking for the static, I want to just go it for the static files files. So here also I'll just give it as a static files. Okay, so I want to just provide all the access for the static files. So then along with that I want to see here it has been asking me where is your WSGI file. My WSGI file is there inside the backend folder. Inside the backend folder it is there, and that is the ARK folder I have been used over here. You can see in the ARK folder, inside the backend folder I am having what, I am having the WSGI file. So in this URL you need to provide the configuration. So I'll say I'll just say go to the where folder and www, and ARK I have given as a folder name. So same as it is ARK I have been given, but it is there inside the backend. So I need to just tell my WSGI file is there inside the backend folder. So BACK back end. Okay, done, that's it. So next, coming back to here as it is. So here ARK is the folder name, you know, same as it is kept. Again the ARK, my project env is perfect. So even is also ARK, but here same again I need to just provide alias. So here also I need to just provide the BACKEND backend. So wherever I am using a backend, you need to provide your particular folder name which you have created. If you are given as a project as your folder name, where your WSGI file lies, you need to give it as the same name. I hope you understood. Okay, so I think everything has been done. Okay, project env. So any mistakes? No, right? So done. So yeah, it is done. So alias everything has been done. So what I'll do, I'll just press Ctrl X, I'll just tell Y and I'll just enter it. Okay, so done. So I have been added the stuffs over here. So now I need to tell one more thing. I want to just tell python manage.py collect static. I have not run this particular command, right? I'll just run it here. Python manage.py collect static. I'll just tell yes. It is asking me. So all the static files is copied to the static file, that is file unmodified. Okay, everything has been done now. So perfect. Now coming back to the code, here it is asking me. So I need to provide this all the configuration. I'll just copy this one. I need to give the access to the database file. So I'll just say I need to give the access to the database stuffs. So I'll just tell change mode database is SQLite 3. Okay, then it is asking me I need to chown the particular data. Okay, so let's copy this command. I'll just right click and I'll just tell db SQLite 3. I want to give this particular access to it. Then what else? I need to chown the particular project. Okay, so let's copy this one and I'll just go one directory back I'll right click, and the folder name is what? ARK. I'll just enter it. It has been done. Perfect. Now I need to run this command to command. I'll just copy it, come back, right click, enter. So rules are updated, done. So then I need to configure the particular test. I'll just copy, I'll right click, you can see all the syntax is okay. Now I need to run the I need to restart the server. I'll just copy and I'll just right click. Okay, it is not going. So I'll just copy this command. Now I'll right click, enter. So the server is been restarted. Perfect. Come back, let me see whether the project is been hosted perfectly or not. So here it was. So now I'll just open this like this, so you can see my website is been hosted perfectly. Congratulations. Okay, hit the particular like button if you're watching till here. Okay, so even you won't get any errors. It's very easy. So same as it is, just copy the command, run, and only you need to take care on this particular configuration file. Just I have changed the folder name of the backend, that's it. And ARK I have used, even you use as a ARK as a folder name, so same thing, it will be there inside here also. Okay, done. So we have hosted our project inside our project in the particular website. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, guys, and in my next video I'll be saying you how to connect the particular domain name with this particular IP address. Okay, then we'll see how to get an SSL certificate also. Okay, so that's all for this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to my channel, share with your friend. Take care, bye bye.